So you think the whole thing was orchestrated just to slow the industry down from day one?
Look, that's my opinion. I'm entitled to it. No one has to agree with me. But I do believe that.
I appreciate that too. I like how you stick your neck out, because a lot of people in your position wouldn't do that. Matter of fact, nobody in your position does that, Mark.
Well, I do appreciate it. And look, people say that's not very smart. In fact, it's funny. This is actually where I'm doing the opposite. But my wife has only seen me speak one time. She came to Vegas for a conference. And at the end, she said, Mark, you can't say things like that. I'm like, what'd I say? She says, no, it's not what you say. It's how you say them. I'm like, what do you mean? She says, well, you say things so forcefully. So what's wrong with that? She says, well, people will believe you. Well, that's the whole idea. That's why you give talks. She says, well, what if you're wrong? That guy just changed my mind. It's like Lord Keynes, right? He gave a talk. A week later, gave the same talk, changed something. And the guy in the front row said, Lord Keynes, last week you said exactly the opposite. Like, sir, when the facts change, I change my mind. What do you do? And so this time I'm doing the opposite. I actually am saying something that I probably shouldn't say. But again, it's just my opinion. And I'm a data guy. I look at data and draw conclusions. And when I look at the data, when I look at the fact that Alameda had 400 investments, okay? 400, all public. This is public. I'm not making this up. This is all public. It's in the filings. You can go look at it on the web. 200 of them were single person LLCs owned by SBF. That's weird, right? And the other thing that's weird, I've been in venture capital a long time. It just means I'm old. Never in the 30 years I've been doing this have I ever seen an LP give money to a venture capitalist and then have the venture capitalist turn around and make a multi-$100 million investment in that LP's company. It probably happened and I just didn't see it. But I said, I've been doing this a long time. I've never seen that. I've never had any fund I ever invest in invest back in me. As a VC, I've never invested in any LP that's given me money. Just never seen it. Sam put in $250 million into Sequoia and they invested back in him. I just never seen that before. It also seems interesting to me that, Sam's mom and dad happen to have all these ties to places where the money ended up. Like Sam's mom runs a foundation, super PAC, right, that allows people to get around campaign finance laws and make excessively large donations to certain candidates, including Ms. Warren. I don't know. That just seems weird, right? This guy was 29 years old and he was the largest donor to Biden's election campaign. I know there's plenty of other people richer than him, but how did he become the largest donor? I don't know. It's just weird. And again, those are just facts. Those aren't suppositions. Those aren't hypotheses. Those aren't conspiracies. Those are facts. Those are data. I don't know. It's weird.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm going to tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline. I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up. If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you going to do? What's the choice that you're going to make?